Hey, what's up guys? So nandito kami sa Boracay with our good friend Alex. Alex, say hi. Hello. I'm gonna let him try the ube turon, right? Baby? Ube turon. Alex, this is the ube turon. Can you hold this for me, maybe? Look at this, ube turon. Baby, come.
Bibigyan ni ma'am, mura na ito ma'am.
Baby, tapat mo. So, Alex, I'm gonna let you try it. Oh, hot. Okay, try it first.
Harap peanut so...
So good. Alright, try one. You got one? This with banana, with ube and chocolate. Oh, it's ube turon. So good, guys. How is it, that one?
This one?
Turon, ube, and chocolate.
Good.
Good.
Perfect combination.
Yan po, nag-stroll po kami. Oh, stroll eh. That's so 90s, man.
Ano pa?
I don't know.
Iba store.
Where are we going na? Station 3. Ito po ang Station 3 ng Boracay. Yeah. Halo-halo na.